It's a cow. Do you know what a cow sounds like? Can you make a sound of a cow now? That is a great cow sound. Moo! Look, can you tell me what that is? That's right, it's a chicken. Can you make the sound of a chicken? Very good. Bark, 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 bark. It's a horse. Oh, it's a very beautiful horse. Do you know what sound a horse makes? Can you make it now? Wow! Let's all pretend to be on horses and make a sound of a horsey. Neigh! Neigh! Oh! Poor sticker! Can you smell what that is? Just tricking. It's a cute little wiggly pig. Do you know what sound a pig makes? Can you make it for me now? That's right. Or oink, 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 oink. These are such great animals, and they can be found at a farm. Let's learn some new signs from the Auslan language. What about some farm animals today? This is the sign for pig. Pig. This is the sign for sheep. Sheep. Can you do it along with me? Okay. What about a cow? This is the sign for cow. Cow. What about something that lays eggs? Do you know an animal on the farm that might lay an egg? That's right, chicken. This is the sign for chicken. Chicken. And the last sign is of a horse. This is a super duper fun one. We're going to use our pointer finger like this, and then our other two fingers, and pop it on as if we're riding the horse. Horse.